No, sit there. No, sit here. Alright, what's going on, you guys? We are out here. Unfortunately, this video was gonna be a lot different, and I'm kind of bummed out. Because I thought that it was gonna be her that was getting tattooed, but we don't have enough needles. So I was like, there's only one left. I was just gonna do it myself. And I have something really jank, you know, it's really faded. And I've been meaning to do this video anyways, because the title will be the title that you watched. But yeah, tattooing myself with my left hand. That's my non-dominant hand. I am right-handed, so it's kind of tricky. With this, I kind of like looked up a font and then went with it, but it's kind of like with all my tattoos, they just like flow with my body in the way like my arm moves. Like for instance, when I did that red one right there, it's like freehand almost, and it's the way like how things felt natural. So this is just says 2319, and it's super faded. I did it like right before work one day, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just kind of bummed for her, but it seems like I'm the one that's bummed a little more than she is. But she's looking up on Amazon right now for some tattoo needles. And I was gonna do another video. Let's see where to put you guys. Maybe right here makes the most sense, right? This is the setup I got. You know, if you haven't seen, Dragon Hawk Power Supply, Mass Tour Pro. I'm super amateur. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't listen to me for any advice. This is not a tutorial. I'm not professional. But it's just kind of like to show you guys what I've been, what I do to tattoo myself. And I still have to make a tattoo tour vlog of like not just the ones that I've done, which have been my hand and this and my face, but it's gonna be another vlog, and then I have another vlog updating about the car. So if you're whatever reason you're subscribed for, whether it be car content or tattooing or clothing, I hope you guys enjoy all the stuff that I upload, because it's just about me. So yeah, do you want to show what you were gonna do though?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
You have to.
No,
I already the vlog is dying to know at this point.
No.
We're back. She doesn't want to show it, unfortunately, but it's gonna be a surprise for all of us. That's okay. And you know, I had these envisions before I hit record on these, and when things are like not right, it's like trips me out. I was like totally excited to show you guys her. It's like just adds more content to the video, you know. And but you know, I appreciate her for showing up and being a part of the vlog. And go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't, just to support us and support her and this tattoo journey, or whatever you want to call it. The main reason I do this is to save money, you know. Like if I were to go to a tattoo shop, you know, they have like a shop minimum requirement, and it's for something like this small, you're gonna still have to pay anywhere from $100 to more or something like that. So when in reality, because it costs some supplies and all that, and to me it's just not worth it. To me something like that's not worth it when I pay $100 for something like this, but I could also pay for $100 for something like that, you know what I'm saying, which is like more time, more ink. And I hope you understand what I'm trying to get at. But yeah, if you're watching this far and you have not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Stay tuned for all my crazy adventures. Really picking up some serious speed. I really have a lot of motivation, and I'm really focused on, this is really what I want to do with my life. And tattooing is a good, easy way. It costs next to nothing, because we have hundreds of these already. This thing of ink, and my legs, like I said, I could just go once a week. The goal is to do a tattoo, at least my leg, if I just see something on Instagram, or just have a cool idea in general. I wanted to get the ones I wanted to knock out of the way, which are like the more visible ones, but like I said, my legs are just, you know, they're easy to go off of, so I think it'd be crazy. I look like the back of somebody's notebook, or you know, a desk, you know, from when we were kids. It's going crazy at it, so I don't really care. They're legs. But like this stuff that you see, I do care about, you know. And just want to get those stuff out of the way. So with that, here's a close-up of what it looks like now. And I'm just gonna start right now. Let's go ahead and see if Naya can come back out. Hey Naya. Hey, sorry. Just come hang out with me over the vlog more. Okay, I just really wanted to show it. Okay? Come out when you want, just to, because I'm not gonna be able to talk, so at least your presence will make it a little more interesting for the video. Alright, enough talking, let's get into it. This is weird because I'm ready to dip it with my right hand. I'm not left-handed, so let's try it. Ooh, this just feels wrong. See, I don't even know how much to dip it in. I don't ever know if there's ink on it. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So she wants to make she wants to take over the vlog pretty much. And she wants to make, oh, did you see a sneak peek? Oh,
stop.
It's on her legs. It's on her thighs. But, can I tell them what it says? So it says,
I said no.
Wait, you're not even in it.
I said no.
Well, there's the magic of editing. I knew what I was gonna do. Scooch over a little second. Oh, no, yes, right here. Do you not see yourself in the, or we'll move it. She's in her own world of chicks, man. Anyways, this is my girlfriend Naya, if you guys know. My baby mama. This don't feel right. This is gonna hurt. Tattoos hurt. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see if it does it. Ah, it's going everywhere. It's like already flooding. If you guys are tattoo people, can you tell me everything I'm doing wrong? I'm literally probably doing everything wrong.
Mugs.
Yeah, well, I literally can't even see it already. I dipped it too much. That's why it's doing that, right? Or are you supposed to dab it on this first and then do it? I don't know. This don't feel right, so I'm kind of like using my hand. So kind of like, I'm kind of keeping it in place, you know? Does that make sense? I feel like I've done this before. Oh wait, I have. Ugh. It hurts. Gives me chills. Holy mother of Lord. It hurts so good.
Okay, listen.
I'm listening.
So it's $13.69 for the piercing stuff.
Oh, we're doing piercings on the channel now. Can you see the pain in my face? Okay, let's see what I've been doing. Wait, go ahead, keep talking. It's got this soap mixture. Oh, I need more. Paper towels. When you get a chance, can you give me some paper towels? Oh, can I do this? Whoa! It squirts out. That's what she said.
And then the noodles are $11.99
No, that's awesome. How many?
for 20.
Nice. Might as well get a bunch. I don't want to look them again. Can you get me some paper towels real quick? I got it. You talked to the vlog though, what the hell?
No, I don't know what to say.
Say something.
No, I'm gonna be awkward and just sit here.
That's not awkward, that's boring as hell. Ask them like what they want to see and if this vlog sucks.
Oh, you're already
Ask them to comment stuff like, does this vlog suck? I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm already back. I hurried back for you guys. It's okay. I could keep the vibes going. It's all good. See, and then it's like, oh, whoa, pretty good. I was gonna do like, to where you can see, do you see how I did that? To where you can actually like not fill in the insides? You know what? I should just do it. I don't know. I think I'm onto something. I think my needle length was too long for a lot of this stuff I was doing, but it's on point right now. For each of these little uppers, I might like leave like a little space. Well, there's only like two. Well, there's one right there. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna think about it. I'm just gonna do it. Can you like film me while I'm doing it now? I'm gonna probably stop in a second though, just cause like this just gets boring. No, like come over and I don't wanna like have to worry about you film. You gotta look at it. Like actually get a really good close up.
It's not focused.
Yep, you gotta work on it better. I'm not gonna do this for you, so you gotta really like
I know,
be a
I'm
little
trying.
camera girl.
Stop. I have to see it. It's not focusing still.
Well, I can't do multiple things at once. I'm gonna focus on tattooing.
It's not focused.
Don't get a shitty shot.
It's like literally not focusing.
I know I have this problem all the time. How's that?
Okay.
She didn't. She was too afraid to hit the screen to focus it. She cracks me up. I give her a hard time. But I would normally not like give other people a hard time, but I will give her a hard time because at the end of the day, I know what's up with the channel and I have ideas. You know? Holy crap, when it gets next to your nail, it hurts so bad.
Yeah, I know.
You know. Oh yeah, you do know. No, yeah, this hurts. The funny thing is I did this before, but it didn't, is it, Naya? It's not even filming.
It was.
I have to do this apparently, you guys. I have to be all awkward. I hope I don't mess up. I'm literally doing this with my left hand. I'm not left-handed now. Or, yeah, Naya. I guess I'm talking to Naya. I meant everybody. Alright, going to the 3. Let's see what's up. Oh, that hurts. Oh my gosh, look at that. That sucks.
Okay, you're like moving a lot.
Okay, let's clean this off and see how I did. Because it's always a surprise with me. I don't know what I'm doing. And, oh wow, that's so much. So this is the big reveal. I literally have to look at the screen to make sure she's filming, and every time I look, she's not.
I'm literally trying my hardest.
Aww, give her a like, because she's trying. She's not a very good filmer.
I don't care. Not my problem. It's not my
What the hell? It's my problem. Alright, so that line's a little thin, and that's a little thin, and that's a little thin. Everything's a little thin. So I'll probably have to go over it again. But I like the little gap there.
Can I just do it?
No. Or you think you'd do better?
Sorry.
The title of this video would be for nothing. No. It'd be fine. That's cool. I'm happy with it. I just hope it stays dark. Alright, this is a long ass clip. Power of editing in 3, 2, 1. It'll all be done next clip. But it'll take me like.
You already fucked up.
Okay, I don't care. I have to do so much audio editing to where no, that's the off. She's turning the camera off. Power editing. The tattoo will be done now. Alright, and there's the reveal. We out here. I'm actually pretty proud of it. I got it. Thank you. Just wanted that piece. I hope this is good lighting. Is it okay to be proud of yourself for something? I mean, for your left hand. For a left hand. Well, if you're right-handed. I don't know. Maybe I should have Naya film this. I almost caught you, Ryan. Can you scooch a little? I'm like stuck. I'm gonna try to squeeze out of this. Just getting this natural ass lighting right here. Look at the sun setting out here. Just want a little different vibe. Maybe I'll post you guys up right there. Alright, what's up? Am I zoomed out? I can never tell. No, I'm not. Alright. We out here. Yeah, it's pretty dark. I really want to see how it heals. But I think it's gonna heal just fine, honestly. I washed dishes at work, so, and I use my hands, so it should, I mean, it's gonna hurt like a bitch, but I think it kind of speeds up the process because it's not good. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, let's see if you can. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully it's not too long and not too low-key, but I don't really care, honestly. So yeah, if this is interesting to you guys, let me know if you loving the tattoo vlogs. Alright, there's a nice close-up. I went with that, you know, some open space. That's low-key what I originally wanted. I didn't know if I wanted all open, just an outline. And now looking at it, I think I made the right choice. I mean, for my left hand, honestly, like, I want to show you like some wobbly lines, but it's kind of hard. Wow. All right, well, let's see if we can get a thumbnail. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you guys on next video is gonna be a little car update. After that, hopefully the needles will pop in, right? When the needle's supposed to shut. I want to take a look at that. And then she wants nose piercing. I'm a total DIYer anyway. What? Go ahead, sir.
I just want to redo it. I'm tired of not having it.
I redid mine once. That will be your third time, right?
Nope.
Fourth? How many times? Fifth? Third?
No.
Second?
No.
Sixth?
No.
Seventh?
10.
But she's messing with me.
No, I'm serious.
You've not pierced your nose 10
yes,
times.
I have.
This is on record. This is undocumented.
Yeah.
Dude, 10 times? I thought it was, what are you talking about?
This is gonna be my 10th time.
Of re-piercing something, not your nose.
No, it was my nose. I've done both sides.
I don't believe her.
I don't care. I want it. I don't care.
Oh, I forgot to put my earrings in, honestly, but I got some new. You know what? Fuck it. I don't give a shit. Oh my god, I have so much cussing editing out to do. But I was kind of like wigging. I saw one of these videos where I was wearing some diamond studs, and I was gonna order them off of Amazon, but they're kind of expensive. I mean, we're talking about piercing stuff, you guys, right? Oh, and I was so afraid. I pierced my nose one time. I declared the kid was sleeping. And it fell out, so I got it re-pierced. But then I waited the month or 2 months or whatever, and I had this ring laying around, and I actually grabbed some rusty pliers. If you're gonna do something, I learn from doing things. Obviously shouldn't have done rusty. Like if it slipped, I was so scared. Like if it would slip, it would just rip out of my nose. It was terrifying. But I bought this ring with the intention of always using it. But I did that. That's a DIY. But along with these, you know, I wanted silver. These are like literally the exact ones I wanted, / I used to have. And I was like, I could have sworn I got them at Ross in the year of 2017, like years ago. And I was like working when I lived in Colorado. So I don't want to keep this clip too long. Just want to throw in the earrings. If she gets a piercing kit though, or some needles, or however it works, I'm totally okay with her piercing up here, and I'd like a ring up there. And then that's it for piercings. I'm not a piercing person. Yeah, there's I literally manifested these basically, and that's a whole nother video I want to make. Very spiritual person, and so is my girlfriend. But I would, if that's something you're definitely interested in, I would definitely want to talk about all that and just be open and honest with you guys. I have a lot of video ideas, and this has been a video idea for a while, and quite a while. But sometimes things don't work out. Like this was totally supposed to be her video, but just totally knocked this out, and I'm pretty proud of myself. So it's okay that this one's a little longer, but I usually keep my videos around 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, but I'm guessing this will be about 20 minutes. Stay tuned for more. Go ahead and follow the Instagram, both Instagrams, they'll be right here. And that's it. And again, like I said, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Love you guys. Peace out.